Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Toon Blast account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your account on Toon Blast, firstly go ahead and launch open your Toon Blast application. The home page of Toon Blast application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on Delete My Account option. Click on Delete once again. Confirm deleting of your Toon Blast account by entering Delete in the given text box and tap on Delete. This is how you can delete your Toon Blast account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.